Alright, got pressurized cab, 650 K John Deere. Pressurized cab, guys. Got a big winch on the blade. Look at it. Winch logs forward or backwards. Pull her either way, buddy. Got a pressurized cab on her. You get in her and she's pressurized. Check this out, guys. It's not nice. Got less than 200 hours on it. John Deere 650. Got your control, your winches. It take me a while. That's winch in and out right there. That'd be your. Oh yeah, got your light radio. And there's a picture of me sitting in her. Kentucky, buddy. Y'all need to keep up with Tennessee. And that is in case they get caught in there to beat that glass out. They sent this to Lifehammer to it's all pressurized in here. They sent this to Mississippi or Alabama one and had it fixed. And this is your grade. Well, she nice. So he volunteered to let me ride here, buddy. And wow, guys, we'd be logging in style. Yeah, buddy, make some money with that dude. And you got your foot paddle down here. Yeah. It's a little rough to, well, not bad to see out of, but you don't see out of those anyway. But then winch on the blade and winch on the back. It's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool, I'm telling you. And this is Brentwood, Tennessee. I think I'm checking this thing out there. 200 hours on it. I don't want to start it or nothing. But it's definitely a pressurized cab. Get some pictures here from Will. And don't know much about it other than he said I could try it out. And that's what I'm doing. And I've been in the 750s. I've operated them, but not this newer model. Not nothing this newer nice. That gone doorway too long. Get down off this bad boy. She's a nice dozer, buddy. John Deere, I like them. Oh God, ouch! That is sharp right there. That edge of there cut me. Winch on the blade, buddy. Winch on the blade. Then back here, I get around this little trailer. Plus the truck to haul it on. It's awful nice. Awful nice. Right here. Good heavy winch on the back. Yeah, it's a fire dozer, guys. It's a fire dozer. Boy, ain't that nice, guys. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. We catch you on the next one, guys.